Hi and welcome to Tips from the Hips, the best woodworking tips and hips on the internet, in my opinion. Today we're talking about planes, and I'm talking about the setup of a plane where the handle is too loose. And the rear tote on this, the rear handle, is a little bit loose here, a little bit sloppy. I've tried to tighten it up with a screwdriver, and that's as far as it's going to go, and it's still sloppy. Problem is the handle has shrunk over time, and we've ended up with the threaded rod that goes through here being a little bit too long, so it's fully bedded into the sole where there's a thread for it, and the threaded cap on the top here that we do up with a screwdriver, that's fully bedded on the screw as well, and it's just not squeezing up enough on the handle. So there are two solutions to that. One is to pad out the handle, so you can put maybe a thin veneer, stick a thin veneer on the bottom of the handle, make it a little bit thicker. Or if you like a bit of metal work, take the threaded rod and just file off or grind off one or two of the threads from one end or the other. That done, we can tighten it up that bit more, and the handle's lovely and solid. Join me next time for more tips from the hips. The best woodworking tips and hips on the internet, in my opinion, of course. For a chance to win this nightstand that I'm going to be building, check out my Just Giving page. For woodworking tips from the hips and much more, subscribe now, and if you share this video, I'll send you some positive woodworking vibes.